Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung best way to create income for the year 2024. Alam ko for the month of December because of Christmas and of course the New Year, lahat ng pera nyo is palabas. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa ko for the year 2022 and the year 2023 na ang kailangan lang gawin or ang kailangan mo lang is 1 to 2 hours per day, sharing links and kikita ka ng 500 to 1,500 to 2,000 pesos per day. Alam ko familiar kayo with affiliate marketing pero hindi kayo familiar with affiliate marketing in online gaming apps. Yung affiliate marketing with online gaming apps is mag-share ka ng link ng gaming apps and every single time na may magda-download ng link na yon and maglalaro ng laro na yon, ng game na yon, kikita ka ng commission. And yun yung ginawa ko for the year 2022 and the year 2023, kaya ako kumita ng malaki. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung sample na kinita ko for the year 2022 and 2023. May kita mo dito yung kinita ko for the year 2022, hindi ko na babanggitin yung amount pero may kita mo yun dyan. Ang kailangan mo lang is 1 to 2 hours per day, maging consistent and mag-share ng links ng sobrang daming gaming apps